Hello friends, today I'm just going to have my students speak all those vocabulary words which he had been made to learn yesterday or day before yesterday. I just had him learn some vocabulary words. You are also going to be amazed, or you can say flabbergasted, having listened to all those vocabulary words which are about to be spoken. You can also learn by being at your home and just watch this whole video. You can also learn some of the vocabulary words. So yes, for Aman is just going to speak right now.
So hello everyone, this is Aman. I'm going to speak all vocabulary words. So gargantual, gigantic, monumental, monolithic, mammoth, behemoth, elephantine, enormous, humongous, prodigious, colossal, minuscule, diminutive, infinitesimal, insidious, pretentious, dodgy, disingenuous, apocryphal, swindler, trickster, bluffmaster, machination, mountebank, swindler, sanctimonious, acrimonious, renegade, adhere, avaricious, corpse, countenance, consanguinity, digress, decisive, discerning, engender, edify, embolden, quaint. And then cerebrate, castigate, objugate, occlude, preclude, hyperventilate, exonerate, extricate, expiate, expunge, expound, expurgate, resilience, innocuous, nocuous, blissful, ameliorate, apprehension, then vivacious, sob, sniff, pejorative, plaintive, excruciating, dolorous, nosogenic, ardor, caudal, mollycoddle, effervescent, effusive, exuberant, ebullient, then lugubrious, lament, lachrymose, incandescent, intrepid, dauntless, undaunted, gallant, valiant, courageous, audacious, berserk, heroic, fervent, demean, disparage, derogative, defamatory, derogatory, defamatory, and then aplomb, equanimity, frivolous, obdurate, obstinate, obfuscate, ostracize, jocund, domineering, dictatorial, overbearing, incarcerate, incommodious, impudent, indelible, indenture, inexorable, insurmountable, incorrigible, insuperable, pandemonium. And then flabbergast, lax, melancholy, inconspicuous, interlocutor, irrevocable, intimidate. Then disparagement, disillusion, deplorable, denounce, embark, eccentric, ebullient, expostulate, exhilarate, excruciating, commemorate. Then acrimonious, adamant, adroit, abscond, animosity, annihilate, and assiduous, arcane, bedlam, behest, bolster, lackey, lambast, lacuna, lampoon, effrontery, egregious, efface, embryonic.
Oh, well done, well done, well done.